So remember when I said I was getting another four-legged critter for the farm? It's happening!
Oh, Lord. What do you think? What do you think, Chestnut?
That's gonna kill me.
So Chestnut came from my friend Heidi. She has a few other horses. Hopefully he mixes in really well with my crew. I think he's about 18 years old. Just super mellow, easygoing. That's the kind of horse that I need. Something that has enough go still to keep me on my toes, but not too much go that I'm afraid of him. I am still a wee bit nervous around horses. I've been raised around horses, so this isn't the first horse that I've ever owned. But I have had 2 back surgeries due to an old riding injury. So, you know, I get a little cautious when it comes to riding, but I so love it, and horses have always been a part of my life. So to have one here again that's mine, it just tickles. I love it. So once we give him a chance to get established, I think it'll be just fine. I'm a little suspicious. There was some activity happening on my front lawn this morning with a company, and they were looking at the parking area. And now vehicles are getting moved. But I have to go to work, so digger. And a dump truck. These are all usually signs that David has planned something without consulting me first. Yeah, that's what I thought. Interesting. So the end result? I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed. And I complain about David finding vehicles and doing things without talking to me about it first. But we have talked about this for a long time, and it was really necessary. I was done with mud. I was done with people tracking mud into the brewery. Cars just creating havoc on what was kind of a lawn before it was turned into a parking area. So yeah, look guys, we now have a parking area. And it just rained, and there's not a single puddle. So it was done properly. Hallelujah. David!
Oh, great. What?
What did you do?
I'm steam cleaning.
I don't need you to steam clean. Well, that's fun. My camera's not foggy this time. The brewery's foggy. The smell coming from the barn this time of year. Those of you who don't know, maple syrup is my all-time favorite treat. It is the best. I love maple syrup. Probably would eat it on everything if I could. Everything. Have you ever seen Elf? The movie Elf? Well, he puts maple syrup on spaghetti, and I don't think he's wrong. I really don't.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Oh. Okay, put the spout in there. We'll turn it upside down. Oh, that was perfect. Okay, now you want to hammer it? Oh, it's leaking. Good job.
I see
Okay.
stuff coming out of it.
Let's get the bucket. You want to get the bucket for
I
money?
want to taste some stuff.
Yeah, get your mouth
All right.
under there.
Try it out. Put your tongue under there.
Just take.
I
Yeah.
want to see it.
Here, Joe. Don't take your chainsaw.
That
Put your
stuff's
mouth under there.
good. Can I try this time?
We'll hang the bucket.
I
There
want
we
to
go.
taste some more.
You want some more?
Sometimes you just need to relax.
Mine goes deep. What do you think? Huh? You ready for a haircut? You ready for the haircut?
The end result? I mean, he didn't do horrible for his first sheep ever. This week we get to celebrate somebody's birthday. Two people's birthday. Well, two critters' birthdays. The calves that were born this past spring, spring of 2020, are a year old now. So it's been an adventure with them, that's for sure. Holly and Hellboy, happy birthday. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. We'll talk to you again next week. Cheers.